Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix effects on TikTok not working. So you already know that TikTok comes with lots of filter and effects that you can use for your videos, and it's usually free. But then if you cannot use certain effects, or the effects is not working on your TikTok, you can try these solutions to fix that. So first, you can just open your TikTok apps. Okay, so once the app is open, now you can just go to your profile. So once you've on your profile, you can click on this three lines icon at the top right corner, and then tap on the settings and privacy. And in here, you can just scroll down until you find this report a problem options. You can just click on that, and then you can scroll down again. So this is the problem report a problem page. You can just scroll down from here until you find this creations option. So click on this drop down, and here you'll find this beauty filter or effects template. So you can just tap on that options, and here you can just click on this, for example, using filter on effects. Okay, so this is how you can just read this. So if you encounter issue when using filter on effect, you can try working through this step. So here there are some solutions from TikTok. You need to make sure that if you already log in, and you can upgrade the TikTok apps to the latest version, and you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can try to clear the app cache and restart the app. But if you still can use filter or effects, you can send the TikTok themes in here, the name of the filter or effects, and a screen recording video of how the problem occurs. So in here there will be a question: is your problem resolved? You can just tap on no, and then tap on this need more help, and then you can just here send a message to the TikTok theme. You can just, hello, right, I cannot use the, you can name the filter, the blah blah filter on my TikTok. You can go with that. Can you help me? You can go with this, and then here you can just send them and just wait until the TikTok support team answer your questions. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.